Hello, welcome to our introduction to programming in Scala tutorials. Today we want to look into strings and lists. And as usual, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell so that we can get update of all our videos that are uploaded on this channel. In this lecture, we are going to look into methods or appreciate how methods can be executed in Scala, and also try to understand strings and how to utilize common methods, and also build and process lists of different type of data. Now, using method in Scala, the Scala library contains methods such as main that we have already seen, the print line, and the read int that allow us to carry out different tasks in our program. Apart from that, we also have type called string that allows us to work with their values. By using the dot operator, we can invoke method on a specific variable or value. So now when you look at this code here, first of all, we have var as a string, which is assigned to Fred. Now we can convert the Fred to uppercase by using the dot notation. So when you say print line s dot to uppercase, it means it will convert whatever is stored in the variable s into uppercase. Also, we can find the length of a string. So here the string is Joe, and you want to find the length. So in this case, you will see the output 3 on the screen. Now, when working with string, we use Java string type and all its associated method. Apart from that one also, Scala has its own utility called string ops. Now, like with other common data structures such as array, the string utilizes indexing system to determine the position of each character. And as usual, the index starts from 0. So for example, when you have the string hello, this is the way it is being indexed. H is location 0, E is 1 till 4. So for example, when you say index of E, which means the first E that appears in the string will be at location 1, or H will be 0 and E will be 1. If you want to know the character at location 0, we use the .char@, which is going to give us H. So these are some ways that we can manipulate the characters within a string. Now, there are other methods that we can also apply. For example, we have the substring method that we can use. Now here we have a string called hello, and we want to pick a substring, which means we want to pick a set of characters within the string. Now, in the first line, we are saying that we want to pick a string starting from location 0, that's the beginning index, and ending at location 2. Now, the second argument is exclusive. So when it says start from location 0 and end at location 2, it means this is 0, this is 1, 2 is not included. So here we are going to have H, E. Okay, now with the second example, hello substring 2, we have only one parameter, and that parameter specifies the beginning index. In the first example, we have the beginning index and the end index. In this second example, we only have the beginning index, which means it will start from index 2 and extract all the characters from index 2. So from here, you can see that this is index 1, index 0, index 1, index 2. So it's picking from index 2 to the end of the string. So you have LLO. So know the difference between specifying the two parameters and also specifying one parameter. Now you need to understand that strings are immutable, which means we can chain several operations, or we can combine different ways of extracting information from the string. When you look at this, we have x.substring, which means we are picking from location 3 till the end. The result, we are going to chain another substring. Then we can also chain again. So we can have multiple methods chained together to produce a final result. So for example, here we are saying that there's a string in X, we are picking from location 0 to location 10, where 10 is exclusive. The result string or the resultant characters that we are going to get, we are chaining again with another substring, which means pick from location 3 till the end. Now the result that we get, we want to convert it to uppercase. So as we said, because strings are immutable, several methods can return new strings, which will allow us to chain different operations together. We will go into our development environment or our IDE and try to practice all these examples that we are showing. So for example, also, we can say x.char@. So here is going to start manipulating from the middle. So it will find index of 8. So what is the location of 8 plus 2? Then the result will be an integer value. Then we are going to find the character that is at that location. So that's the way we can chain multiple methods to get our final result. Now, let's look at list data also. Now, the list data type allows us to hold a collection of data of any type. So it could be a list of numbers or string. Lists are simple to create and it comes with a lot of useful methods. So we are going to look at some of the methods. So for example, here we have var_s, which is a list of integers that are equal to a list of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we can perform operation of the list in the variable x. So we can sum the numbers in the list, which means 1 plus 2, which is 3, plus 3, which is 6, plus 4, which is 10, plus 5, which is 15. We can find the size of the list, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can print the head of the list, which item is at the beginning of the list. We use the head. We can also find the tail of the list. So apart from the head, the remaining items are called the tail, as you see here. Now we also have this expression, x equals to 0, : x. Now this expression means that x is being assigned a new list where 0 is prepended to the front of the current list of x. Okay? So X is being assigned a new list where we load the old value of the list and insert 0 at the beginning. So this is what this expression means. S is being assigned a new value or a new list, and the new list contains the old list plus the value 0 inserted at the front. So that's what this expression means. So when we loop through the list, we are going to get this output that you see here. So as I said, we'll go to our integrated development environment IntelliJ and try to practice all this command to see how it works. But in this video, I want to explain the concept and the theories behind this syntax and commands. So let's end this video here and continue on or in the next video where we talk about creating lists and generating values from the list. If you have enjoyed this video, as usual, click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell to get notified when new videos is being uploaded. Thank you and see you in the next video series. Goodbye.